Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create this moving grid in After Effects. Let's start creating it. So here I have taken this 1920 by 1080 composition. The first step is to create a new solid, so go to Layer, New, Solid. Now let's go to Effects and Presets and search for Gradient Ramp. Apply Gradient Ramp to this solid and give it a color. Black is fine, but let's change the white color to mustard. First, swap the colors, then adjust the anchor points based on how you want the gradient to look. This part is completely up to you. Once the gradient is set, go to Effects and Presets again. Make sure your layer is selected and search for Grid. Apply the grid effect to this layer. Now change the blending mode from None to Normal. If you want to change the color of the grid, just click on the color box and choose whatever color you like. Next, change the size mode from corner point to width and height sliders and adjust the values depending on how big or small you want the blocks to be. You also have the option to invert the colors of the grid if you want. Once everything is set up, click on the stopwatch next to Anchor and enter this expression. If you want to copy it from somewhere, I'll provide the expression in the comments. Just copy and paste it here, then click anywhere on the screen, and the expression will be applied. Now let's apply the glow effect. So go to Effects and Presets and search for Glow. Apply the glow effect to the layer. Increase the threshold and tweak the glow settings until you get the look you want. Alright, let's preview it, and boom, your grid is moving. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.